Today we will study practical number second, test the performance of Zener diode. We all know that in industry Zener diode are widely used as a voltage references and as a shunt regulator to regulate the voltage across circuit. Zener diode are also used in a over voltage protection circuit and switching application. Zener diode are suitable for surge suppression circuit, for the device protection, for clipping, clamping circuits, and especially for a peak clipper. Normally, in many applications, Zener diode used as a voltage regulator. Today we will study Zener diode forward bias characteristics and reverse bias characteristics. For that, we can require a DC voltage supply. Then after that, Zener diode experimental kit and multimeter. This is the experimental setup for to test the performance of Zener diode. This is the DC voltage. After that, this one is the experimental kit and this is the multimeter, and next here is the multimeter. Here we have to make a connection. Firstly here positive terminal of supply is connected to the positive and negative terminal of supply is connected to the negative. Then we have to measure current flowing through the Zener diode is measured in series. Here we can connect multimeter, and in multimeter we can select a ampere range. After that, here we have make this connection short to select a Zener diode, and the voltage across Zener diode is measured by this multimeter. In this same circuit, if we can change terminal of power supply, means we can exchange the terminal of power supply. Suppose we can insert positive terminal to the cathode and negative terminal to the anode, means Zener diode is in a reverse bias condition. At that position we can check a reading. Now for reverse bias we will take reading. Firstly we will make a input voltage 1 volt. Here input voltage is 1 volt. For that we can get a voltage is 0.6 and current is 1.72.23 microampere. After that 2 volt. Here range is changed, so we can convert micro to milli. Now for 2 volt we get 1.69 milliampere and voltage is 0.7. After that for 3, here range is out of range, so we can move towards ampere. So voltage is 0.7 and current is 4.5 ampere. After that for 4 volt voltage is constant as 0.7 and current is 6.9 milliampere. Then for 5 volt voltage is constant at 0.7 and current is 8.9 ampere. After that for we will take reading at 9 volt. For 9 volt voltage is constant at 0.7 but current is increases to 16.9 ampere. Means that from that experiment we can conclude that our breakdown voltage is 0.7 volt. After that we can increase our input voltage. The reverse voltage across Zener diode is constant but current is increases rapidly.